Alright class, today we're going to be doing the math test, and I hope you've all studied last night. Dun dun dun! Oh dang it, I forgot that it was today. Now what am I gonna do? Anyways, if any of you need to use the bathroom, be quick about it, because I will not allow any bathroom breaks during the test, okay? I know what to do. So I'm going to ask the teacher, I'm going to ask Mr. Captain Pyre if I can use the bathroom. If I can use the bathroom. And if he says yes, I will go use the bathroom. But in reality, I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Okay. Excuse me, Mr. Captain Pirate. Yes, y'all Silver? May I please use the bathroom? You sure can, but be quick about it, okay? Sure, alright, sure will do. When y'all Silver got to the school hallway... Ah, yes, there it is, the glorious fire alarm. Now, before I do anything else, I need to make sure that nobody's watching me. And I don't think anybody is. Anyhow, it is time to put my plan into action. Ha 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 ha! Back in the classroom. Alright, class, don't panic. Just leave everything where it is and follow me.
Oh, wait for me!
Outside the building. Alright, class, let's make sure that everyone is here. Okay, I'm gonna do a roll call so that way we know if we're here or not. Okay, let's see, Brown. Here. Violet. Here. Yaw Silver. Wait a minute, where's Yaw Silver? I'm here, Mr. Captain Pirate. There you are, Yaw Silver. Where were you? I was in the bathroom. Don't you remember? Oh yeah, in the meantime, and here, Black. Here. And Rainbow. Here. Alright, class, now that we're all back together, we'll just have to wait until further notice.
A few minutes later.
Attention all teachers and students. This is Principal Mantis speaking. I just wanted to let you all know that you now may re-enter the building because there was actually no fire to begin with. Also, Y'all Silver, please report to my office immediately. Ooh, shut up, loser. Hey, Mr. Mantis. Y'all Silver, come look at this video real quick, will you? Okay. Okay, then let's see what the video is. Ah, yes, there it is, the glorious fire alarm. Now, before I do anything else, I need to make sure that nobody's watching me. And I don't think anybody is. Anyhow, it is time to put my plan into action. That can't be me. I would never pull the fire alarm. Yaw Silver, how dare you pull the fire alarm when there actually wasn't a fire? You know very well you should never ever do that unless there's actually a fire. That's it. You are suspended for a few days. Go home right now while I call Yellow. Ah, great. Here we go again. When Yaw Silver got home.
Yaw Silver, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school today? That's it. You're grounded for a whole week. You'll not play any Roblox or hanging out with Green and Gray during that time. Go to your room right now.
Fine. Curse you, Yellow. And don't you badmouth me either.